Number 3. Midea Smart Portable Air Conditioner. This smart controlled Midea Easy Cool 3-in-1 portable air conditioner cools or dehumidifies home or office spaces quietly, quickly, and efficiently. You can control your portable AC from anywhere using our smartphone apps. If you want to know more information on the products, we've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Number 2. Ovation Portable Air Conditioner. Toggle between high, medium, and low fan speeds. Optimize comfort throughout the day for the comfort of family and pets. Special feature: portable, easy to install, wheels, variable speed, quiet. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Portable Air Conditioner. Small, compact size. Sleep mode auto controls the air temperature at night. Provides strong cooling power. Keeps air both dry and cool. Reusable air filter slides out to make cleaning easy.